Good morning, student. I am Neha. I hope you all are good in your home. This is your GK book. This is your syllabus for our next UT. This underlines chapters and tick also. Now start the chapter first. Mention your date, day and classwork in the upper line. Let us start the chapter. Chapter name is World of Animals.
Let us start the chapter. Name the animals whose descriptions are given below. First question. The largest mammal is blue whale. This is blue whale. Next question. The smallest bird. It's hummingbirds. What is? It's hummingbirds. Third question is slowest reptile. Slowest reptile. It is tortoise. It is tortoise. Now, fourth, largest meat eater in Arctic. Largest meat eater in Arctic. This is polar bear. What is this? Polar bear. Now, question number 5. The largest horned mountain goat. Obyk. It's obyk. Obyk. Sixth question. A young dragonfly. A young dragonfly. It's nymphs. What is this? Nymphs. Next question, seventh question. What's longest living animal? What longest living animal? It's bowhead whale. It's bowhead whale. Now, eighth question. Its female is called vixen. Its female is called vixen. This is vixen. Now it is fox. It is answer is fox. Next page. Please turn your page. Ninth question. Flightless birds of Australia that swims well. Answer is huge check. It's huge or a check.
This
Next.
is your next page.
10th, the speechless mammal. The speechless mammal. It is giraffe. It is giraffe. Answer is giraffe. Next, 11th. The fastest runner. The fastest runner. It is cheetah. It is cheetah. It's not a leopard. It's cheetah. Next, 12th. The young eel. The young eel. The only snakes in the world that makes nest. The only snakes in the world that makes nest. Answer is king cobra. King cobra. Now, next question, 14th question. The largest bird of prey that live on the flesh of dead animal. The largest bird of a prey that live on the flesh of dead animal. It's vulture. It's vulture. Look at the vulture. Next, 15th question. It's a bird that can imitate any sound it hears. A bird that can emit any sound it hears. Answer is lyrebird. Answer is lyrebird. Next question is 16. The bird that makes the longest migration. The bird that makes the longest migration. Answer is stringed paradisea. Stringed paradisea. Its picture is this. Now it's completed. Come to the chapter 4. Question 1. Someone from West visited India in the 4th century BC and left an account of his travel. Name him. Answer is Megasthenes. Megasthenes. Its answer. Next question. Second. Born in Kerala, his ancient mathematician was educated in Takshila. Who was he? What is he famous for? Aryabhat, Aryabhat.
This is the
But
chapter
spelling are
4th.
have to
Answer the following
write it
question.
Aryabhatta. Next question, third question. The Rani of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, had another name when she was a child. What was it? Manikarnika. Its name is Manikarnika. Next quote. Who suggested the color? Answer is Pingali Venkaya. Pingali Venkaya was suggested the colors of Indian tricolor flag. Next question is question 5th. Name the first station established by Indian on Antarctica. Name the first station established by India on Antarctica. Answer is Dakshin Gangotri. Dakshin Gangotri. Next question is when did the Shaka's era begin? When did the Shaka era begin? Answer is 22nd March 1957. 22nd March 1957. Next question is 7th question. A South Indian festival is very much similar to Bhai Dooj in the north. Name the festival. A South Indian festival is very much similar to Bhai Dooj in the north. Name the festival. Answer is Bhau Beej. Next, 8th. Across which river the Naga Arjun Sagar Dam has been constructed? Across which river Naga Arjun Sagar Dam has been constructed? Answer is Krishna River. Krishna River. Question 9. Who founded Mahabalipuram? Who founded Mahabalipuram? Answer is Narsimha Varma. Answer is Narsimha Varma. 10th question. When was the first postage stamp released in India? When was the first postage stamp released in India? Answer is 1854. Answer is 1854. Now turn your page. Now come to the question first. Which one of the following dynasty was ruling over North at the time of Alexander's invasions? Option A, Nandu. Second option is Maurya. Third option is Sanga. Fourth option is Karva. Right answer is Nandu. Question second. The Indian National Army INR came into the existence in 1942. The Indian National Army INR came into the existence in 1942 in A option Japan, then Burma, C option Singapore, and then Malaya. Answer is Japan. Answer is Japan. Now come to the third question. West Bengal shares boundary with how many foreign countries? West Bengal shares boundaries with how many foreign countries? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Which one? Its right answer is third. It's 3 sides. West Bengal shares boundary from the 3 sides. Now come to the fourth question. Which one of the following states received major parts of its annual rainfall during the winter? Which one of the following states received major part of its annual rainfall during the winter?
Now, come to the B
Options are
question. Pick the correct
Bihar,
option.
Odisha, Punjab, Tamil Nadu. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next, come to the question 5. Which city was known as the city of spice in the past? Which city was known as city of spice in the past? Now, options are Tuticorin, Kochi, Mangalore, Kozhikode. Answer is Kozhikode. Next question 6. With reference to the ancient people of Harappan culture of Indus valleys, which one of the following statement is not correct? A option, they use spindle whorl for spinning. Next, they practice boat making. Next, they use metal money. Next, they use tools and implements of stones. Answer is they practiced boat making. Next, 7th, where is the Satish Dhawan Space Center located? Where is Satish Dhawan Space Center located? Options: Chandipur, Sriharikota, Trivandrum, Thumba. Answer is Sriharikota. Question 8. Which of the following groups of river have their resources near Lake Mansarovar? Which of the following groups of river have their resources near Lake Mansarovar? A. Option Ganga. B. Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra. C. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna. D. Brahmaputra, Satluj, Indus. Answer is Brahmaputra, Satluj, Indus. Brahmaputra, Satluj, Indus. Now come to the next question, 9th question. Which one of the following lake of India is a salt water lake? Which one of the following lakes of India is a salt water lake? Options are Raulsar, Bhimtal, Naki, Sambhar. Answer is Sambhar. Next, come to the question 10. Which of the following material was mainly used in manufacturing of Harappan seals? Which of the following material was mainly used in the manufacturing of Harappan seals? Terracotta, bronze, copper, iron. Answer is terracotta. Next question 11. Which types of ancient script did the Harappans use? Which types of ancient script did the Harappans used? Pictographic, linear. C option hieroglyphic. D symbolic. Answer is pictographic. Next question 12. Who amongst the following has composed the song A Mere Watan Ke Logo? Who amongst the following has composed the song A Mere Watan Ke Logo? Options are Jaydev, Anil Vishwas.
Now come to the next page.
Ramchandra. D. Madan Mohan. Answer is C. Ramchandra. Next question 13. Ankleshwar in India is known as for production of bauxite, coal, iron ore, petroleum. Answer is petroleum. Now match the following question. Come to the match the following questions. Event with the list second leader. There are the two lists. First list this one and second list this one. Match करना है, ध्यान से करिएगा. बरदोली सत्याग्रह is emitted by Sardar Patel. Next question. Champaran movement. It's done by Mahatma Gandhi. Next, Bhudan movement. It's Bhudan movement. Bhudan movement is done by Vinoba Bhave. Next, come to the Save Narmada movement. Come to the option. The answer is Medha Patkar. Come to the last one, Chipko movement. Is done by Sundarlal Bahugun. Now complete this chapter in your book and notebook and make a PDF and send it back to school WhatsApp group